Hello, I am Mihela. Today I am going to talk about a special bird I have only seen once. The black-winged stilt. It is a widely distributed, striking large black and white waders with a thin, straight bill and bright pink legs in the avocet and stilt family. Found in wetlands with open shallow water throughout much of Africa and Eurasia, often in brackish habitat. Some populations are migratory, departing northerly breeding grounds for warmer southern regions. Feeds by wading in water, pecking from the water surface with its needle-like bill. In flight, long pink legs stick out far beyond the tail. I was going to tell you that these birds are very noisy, not alone but in colonies. Their calls are like locally named Kalapu Kerala, calls loudly and stridently, especially when alarmed during the breeding season. After so much traveling, I have only seen this bird once. That was in our safari to Udawalawa National Park. This was the very bird that we saw. On that same safari, I saw many small baby elephants and big elephants. Udawalawa National Park is a very good place to see birds and elephants. Don't forget to watch my next video about the Indian cruiser in another 2 days' time.